The request list is a powerful tool integrated into the Domo report that's designed to create a professional request list you can use during negotiations. No more copy and paste projects. Select what you want to be repaired or replaced, ask for a credit, or let the seller know you'll accept it as is. Add any notes, then preview and customize. There's a lot here. You'll notice the interface is a little different from the main Domo report. For example, the Major Domo Notes is replaced with a summary of requests. As you make selections below, this will update in real time. We also give you a section to add any overall comments you want to make. Everything here will show up in the final professional document. The repair details section looks a little different too. You can still sort by anything, including priority. Then you can make a request. You do that by selecting a choice from the dropdown. Request repair is an item you want to be repaired. Request replacement is for when you want to specify an item isn't just repaired, but fully replaced. Request credit is instead of a repair or replacement, you can request a credit amount. Accept as is to let the seller know what you're willing to accept as is. And then finally, there's exclude from list. If you don't choose a request, it will automatically be excluded, so this is so you know you've already looked at it. Since I selected request credit, a new option shows up, which is the credit amount. We pre-filled it with the middle of the estimate range, but you can put any whole number you want. And you'll notice that we put the amount in the line next to the cost estimate. For the next one, I'll request the shower pan be replaced. And now you have the option to upload a quote from a contractor. So let's say you have a contractor come in and look at this item. You can upload a PDF of their bid. You can also specify the actual bid amount, and we'll update the request list and all the totals with this new quote. Let's keep going. On pressing, I want to replace the shower door. Now there's one more repair with a general contractor. And let's pay attention to the costs when I do this. I go to repair structural framing damage, and let's say I also request a repair. Now, if we go back to the original one, the Domo report intelligently calculates a new total because multiple projects from the same type of contractor have been selected as either repair or replace. And the totals from the top, which are following us, have also been updated. So we're showing you the savings, but the final request list will only show the totals, and so you can feel good about being fair in your requests. By the way, you still have the option of selecting a request from the repair window. I'm going to finish up the rest of these quickly. We know that sometimes you want to add a request beyond the scope of the home inspection. That's built right in as well. Click the Add Additional Request button, fill out the simple form, and it's added. When you're ready, click Preview and Share. Doesn't that look cool? The left-hand column gives you many customization options. You can choose to display or hide almost every single element to best meet your negotiation situation. These settings are automatically saved, and it's very granular, and we think you'll be able to dial it in perfectly for each negotiation. On the lower left, you can choose to share a direct link or print to a perfectly formatted page. When you share the link, here's what they'll see.